Hello there, YouTubers. This is Frater Ralph, and this video I'm going to give an update on my Genesis mining account. Yesterday I made a video and I was all excited because I had upgraded my hash power and I had jumped from 12 cents a day to, 55 cents a day and then 82 cents a day. Now I've made the jump up to $1.06 a day, and I'm going to scroll down here to show my earnings chart. See, when I first started with Genesis mining, I started out at the low end of investing, and what I did, I bought like a $71 contract. I tried to get like just a $30 contract, but I was using a credit card and the minimum order was $71. So I started out with a $71 contract, and from that I was making between 12 and 15 cents per day. And needless to say, I wasn't too excited at that point. I just thought, okay, I've invested the money. I might as well, nothing more I can do except just kind of let it ride. And so I let it, I kind of let it ride, let it rode, I guess, for about 4 months. And then I started noticing that, I had a nice, steady climb in my earnings. I mean, it was all earning me the 12 to 15 cents a day on a consistent rate. And I figured, okay, at this rate, it's going to take me about a year and a half to 2 years to make back my initial investment. But I started listening to what other people were saying about maximizing their hash power, their mining power. And so I went ahead and I started upgrading. And I just started getting some Bitcoins off of the exchange from my other investments and using that money to buy more hash power. And I added in about $30 of Bitcoin at a time. And that's when I started noticing the huge jump. And right now, I mean, I've got just about $400 invested in this. And at a rate of $1.06 per day, I'm going to make back my initial investment now within a year, not within a year and a half to 2 years. And then the beauty of this is, I'm going to scroll back up again. This is the Shay the Shay 256 mining contract, which is a lifetime contract. And right now I've built my mining strength up to 3.4 terahash to the second. And I've just recently added in some more terahash. And so if I do nothing with this, by tomorrow morning, I should be making more than $1.06. If the markets are holding steady, I should be making, I'm thinking like about $1.25 per day, which is a pretty nice payout. And the way I choose to think about this is that if you take $400 and go to the bank with it and try to make a deal with a banker saying, okay, I'm going to give you $400 and I want you to hold it for me for a year. And at the end of a year, I want my $400 back. And then plus, for another year, I want another $1.06, $1.20 a day until I get another $400 and get like 100% profit within 2 years' time. You're not going to find a bank that's offering those terms. Best interest rate I can find right now is like 0.5%. And that's on a much, much more sizable amount of money than just $400. So, I mean, to me, this seems like a good investment. It is not a quick get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a good way to invest a little bit of money and make a little bit of money back. And now I'm going to try to find, here we go. This is how you upgrade your hash power or buy hash power. And there she goes. And what I'm on is the lifetime Bitcoin mining, which you can spend as little as $30 worth of Bitcoin, and you get a mining contract, which will pay you about 12 cents a day to 15 cents a day for life. Well, actually, at that lower rate, it wouldn't be 12 cents. Probably be more like 6 cents, something like that. It's been a while since I've been at that low end. But it's a mining contract that will last as long as the company remains profitable in offering these contracts. And so there's a little bit of a risk there. But I think that Bitcoin's going to be profitable for quite a few more years to come. I know Warren Buffett has made statements that, 20 years from now, he doesn't think that Bitcoin's going to be around. I've got my own personal theory. I think another 20 years, Warren Buffett's not going to be around anymore. But I think Bitcoin will probably be doing just fine for at least that length of time. But you never know. This all depends on the markets, all depends on, the life expectancy of Bitcoin and other alternate coins. And that's another thing I want to show you. Here is, go back to the mining dashboard, mining allocation. Is that on this SHA-256 contract, you're not just limited to mining Bitcoin. There are other coins you can mine. Right now, I've got mine set at 100% Bitcoin, and I'm pretty happy with that. I'm going to leave it there for another day or two, wait for all my hash power to kick in and see what my total profits are. But if you want to, you can go to like Uno, you can go to Bitcoin Dark, you can do Dash. I've done Dash on this system and was very happy with the results. You can also do Litecoin, Dogecoin, ZET, and they were offering mining contracts on Zcash. That's not on the lifetime. Here we go. That wasn't on the lifetime mining contract. That was on a special Zcash, which was only good for a year. And I noticed they're no longer offering that. I think it's sold out, at least for the time being. But there are also other contracts you can buy. X11's another good one for a 2-year period. And, I haven't gotten into that yet, but I think maybe as I grow with Genesis, I will eventually get into that. But, yeah, that's my update for today. I'll probably be back tomorrow, and by that time, I hope to be bragging about getting more than just $1.06 per day. But if you want to join up, with Genesis Mining, you can go to their website, www.genesis-mining.com, and I'm going to have the link in the program description below. And they've got a system, an affiliate system, where you can get 3% off of your order just by using a promo code. And I'm going to bring that up here on this small little screen. There we go. Let's make that bigger. And there we go. Yeah, there's my promo code, and for goodness sakes, feel free to use that. But yeah, you can use that promo code. You get 3% off of your order. You can use the same code as many times as you like. And yeah, the buyer gets 3% off of his order, which is good. And then the person that gives you their code, their affiliate code, they get 2.5% increase on their mining power. So it's a win-win proposition for everybody. So yeah, feel free to use that affiliate code there, and I will also have that printed out in the description below this video. So that's all for now. This is Frater Ralph signing out, and be back tomorrow. Show you what little bit more we've made with Genesis Mining. And I think overall this is a very good deal. A good company. It's been around for a while, and it's very well managed, very well, pretty solvent. I think it's a good risk, but time will tell. I've been with them now 5 months. no problems whatsoever. So, till later, you all take care. We'll see you later. Thanks for stopping by. Bye bye.